Okay, Stock Pulse back here at the VRIC in Vancouver. 18, I've got Frank Holmes. Frank, good to see you.
Good to be with you.
So you were a top gold fund guy here, and now I'm hearing top blockchain technology. I got to hear about this, Frank Holmes.
Well, we launched a HIVE Blockchain technology because I was out launching a gold ETF, a smart beta gold ETF from New York Stock Exchange, and I was learning more about this cryptocurrency and trying to launch an ETF, but they're not going to happen. It's just not going to allow some hacker to be able to sell their coins to an ETF. So I had all this new knowledge, and my friend Frank Juster said, I've got this idea with these young guys, what are you interested? And I said, yes. And so rather than put money into launching a ETF, I turned around and put my money into HIVE Blockchain technology, and it's the first public company that's raised money, has gone public. It was a unicorn, it went to $1 billion in 4 weeks in market cap. We made money the first quarter. We raised $200 million with 3 different tranches at higher prices. We have many institutions because we mine virgin coins, starting off in Iceland and now expanding into Sweden.
So where are you at in the overall scheme of things with the business right now?
The business is just mining those coins and this scale out. So we've gone from 5 megawatts to 8 megawatts, and a megawatt, it gives you the power to be able to produce these coins. And we start off with Ethereum and related coins that are under the Ethereum protocol, and then we'll be going to Bitcoin. And by this time next year, we'll be 47 megawatts of energy, cheap energy. It's very important why Iceland. It's green energy and it's inexpensive energy. It has to be under a nickel to be profitable.
So how'd you make the leap here? I mean, we're talking about central banks here control the action. Gold's always been popular. It's hard money. How'd you make the jump here?
You got to look at what woke up the world to the internet, and it was emails. It was really emails that was the adoption process that all these apps came out with it. And what blockchain is being woken up by? Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the significance of this new processing of me sending money to you. Think of it, stock trading 24/7, no settlement problems. The crisis of 2008 with Lehman Brothers and Bear Stearns, all those settlement problems wouldn't happen if it was under blockchain technology, is what the best thought leaders believe. So I think that Bitcoin is really significant as another form of diversification of assets. I think it's very speculative. No one should look to invest in that sector unless you're doing what we're doing in HIVE Blockchain, but it's exciting and it's hurting junior mining because $4 billion went into these ICOs last year, and it's easier for millennials to speculate on these currencies, these ICO currencies, than it is in junior mining stocks. So I think that that's the other big transition.
What's the best way to follow the deal?
Yeah, HIVE Blockchain technology. It trades over the counter in the US, and it trades in Canada. HIVE is the ticker in Canada, and HVBTF for foreign security and over the counter in the US. So we're making money, we'll make more money. We should, based on today's Bitcoin prices, like looking at gold and the cost of producing that coin, Ethereum, this time next year, we could have a run rate of $300 million in revenue, $150 million in cash flow. This is a real business, this is very exciting.
Well, we'll certainly look to track this progress here. Frank Holmes, appreciate the time.
Thank you very much.